In this video, I'm demonstrating macOS management with VMware Workspace ONE Unified Endpoint Management, known as AirWatch. The enrollment of a new Apple DEP registered Mac computer can be easily done by the user himself. He simply turns on the new computer and answers the basic questions on the screen like country, keyboard selection, and network. Through the network connection, the device sends the serial number to Apple, which initiates the DEP enrollment process to AirWatch. Users simply authenticate either with their Active Directory or basic AirWatch credentials. Administrators can define which questions of the initial setup wizard are being asked or skipped. Once the local user account has been created, AirWatch will provision auto-assigned applications and assigns the targeted configurations. Please notice that the time which the user has spent up to this point is only about 2.5 minutes after turning on the new computer for the very first time. Due to the automatic configuration, users can immediately start using the computer and be productive without lengthy manual setup processes. Due to Apple VPP integration, there is no need for personal Apple IDs to set up public applications. Administrators can automatically push wanted public and internal apps to the user's device. Restrictions can be configured to even deny personal Apple IDs or unwanted customization of the device. As I have pushed an email configuration profile, the user can immediately start using the native Mail app or the Microsoft Outlook app after typing his email password. Additional AirWatch functionality includes Safari intranet browsing and per-app VPN for native and third-party applications. Users can get access to intranet resources without needing to manually configure or sign into a VPN applications. They simply open the whitelisted applications or navigate to intranet pages. Now let's have a look at the management console. The dashboard gives administrators a quick and easy look of all managed devices independent of the operating system. To deploy applications, administrators navigate to apps and books and can filter for a certain operating system. For macOS, administrators can upload either internal applications like DMG, PKG, or zip files, or they can deploy public apps through the Apple VPP program, either as automatically installed applications or as on-demand applications which users can install through the Workspace ONE catalog. To configure devices, administrators create profiles. macOS profiles allow the configuration and security setup of all the relevant operating system functionality. New profiles can be easily created and assigned either to users, AD user groups, or manually defined device or user groups. We can create user and device-based profiles. In this example, I want to create a per-app VPN configuration to allow a certain application through the secure tunnel with access to my intranet. I simply configure the VPN payload, select the VMware tunnel, and can immediately whitelist applications which are allowed to communicate through the tunnel. This gives users the flexibility to work from anywhere, independent of being in the local network and independent of the device being joined to Active Directory, while they can still authenticate using the AD credentials. As the first step in macOS management, we usually want to ensure device security. This includes the configuration of software update settings. Administrators can define when the device should check for updates and if they shall be automatically installed or if the installation shall be left to the user just by providing them with the according operating system installation messages. Additional configurations usually include to turn on the built-in macOS firewall and configuration of the according options. Another important step in device security is the encryption of the hard drive. Notice the possibility to store the recovery key in AirWatch, giving administrators the option to unlock drives to which users have lost access due to forgotten credentials. To avoid that administrators need to actively monitor dashboards to ensure device compliance, we can configure compliance policies. Compliance policies consist of an "if this happens, then do something about it" engine. Administrators can configure a condition like the check for an unencrypted device and take according actions which can be escalated to a next action if the device stays in an unencrypted state. This can go as far as unenrolling a device from AirWatch to revoke access to intranet resources and corporate applications. For more information or to book a demo, please contact us at mail@arion.fi or visit our website.